Introducing VisTitle 3, the ultimate tool for adding customized high-quality titles to your project, with a completely redesigned flat interface, native support for a high-resolution screen, and enhanced performance for 8K project creation. VisTitle 3 offers over 700 exciting new templates. VisTitle provides a wide range of tools for creating professional title and animation, allowing you to easily craft stylish titles, including handwriting, credit row, 3D text, and 3D model animations, with features like real-time hover preview, shader, and effect template preview. VisTitle template library seamlessly integrates into EDIUS, enabling quick access to any title within the software for a more streamlined workflow and more convenient interactive SRT text drag and drop operation onto the track. Based on the DaVinci OpenFX framework, VisTitle 3 offers native plug-in support for DaVinci, allowing for custom title presets, real-time preview, drag-and-drop functionality. The software also facilitates fast SRT import-export and timecode settings and quick adjustments to text, font, size, and position parameters, along with one click to enter fine editing. VisTitle 3 provides over 1,000 templates and objects, including e-commerce, lower third, and social media templates, to meet your title creation needs and elevate your video effect to a new level.